Welcome to IT Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to backup registry settings and then I will also show you how to restore backed up file. So first click on Windows logo and search for Registry Editor and then right click Registry Editor and click on Run as Administrator. So here in Windows Registry, select Computer so that all the registry settings are selected and then right click and click on Export. Now select the location where you want to save backup file and name the backup file. So I'll just say backup. File type would be .reg and then click save and it will start to export all the registry settings data to the backup file. So now if I go to that location, I could now see the backup file. So now backup file is ready. Now we will try to restore this backup file back to Windows Registry. Simply go to this option file, then click on import and then select your backup file. And now it will start to import all the registry settings that are part of the backup file. You may get this kind of error. So we are getting this error because some of the registry settings are being actively used by background processes. So that's the reason it shows us this message. So we can safely ignore this message and click on OK. And now the restore process is completed. If you want to take backup of any specific key, so for example, let's say I want to backup this software key, then simply select it, right click and do the same process. Select export so that you will export it to the backup file. And then again using the same import option, you can import back the settings. When the import process is completed, all the settings would be written back to the same location. If this information was useful to you, then please subscribe to IT Tutorials. Thank you.